Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be taking you in a day in my life. Today's April 13th. We have a lot of things to do today. We are about to go eat some breakfast, and after breakfast head to the zoo. And honestly, we don't know what we're doing after the zoo, but I do want to do some shopping, so we might, but I'll keep you guys updated.
No, my trip.
Just got to the zoo. We went to eat before this. I did add a clip on there, but right now I'm waiting for my boyfriend. He's in the bathroom. It's a good weather today, and we wanted to enjoy it at the zoo. This is the outfit for today, and yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
They don't have it. No red panda. Are you sad?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're sad. He's sad. No, there was no red panda out, so we ended up coming to the mall. I had to go home and change and take my makeup off because something went in my eye. But I came shopping, and my boyfriend's back there paying for the car. Let's see what we want, honestly. I don't even know what I want to get yet. It's cute. We went to Old Navy and we are shopping for some items. I got some leggings and my boyfriend's getting some jeans in the fitting room right now, but don't mind that. Ended up finishing shopping and we're going home. I have not updated y'all, but we came to a car meet, and after the whole shopping and stuff, I ended up going home, passing out, and my boyfriend literally just brought me here. It's mid, but it's alright. Okay, so I forgot to update y'all, but we ended up coming to a car meet. After the mall, we all went home, passed out. Well, I went home and passed out, and my boyfriend started gaming. Right now, we're gonna do a little cruise, and we are just out here. Adam is taking a picture of them. So cute. Wanted to meet his friends. These are all the boys' cars. How nice their cars look parked together. We ended up doing a Target run after the car meet. Show them.
The guy, and then the guy that they told you not to worry about.
I'm gonna end the video here because we have nothing to do anymore. We're just gonna go home, but hope y'all enjoyed.